Come test drive the 2020 Toyota Corolla. The Corolla is still a great option for those who want dependability, comfort, and value. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, leather-wrapped steering wheel, dual airbags, alloy wheels, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, heated front seat, trip computer, rear window defroster, power windows, CD player, security system, electronic stability control, power moonroof, remote keyless entry, brake assist, tachometer, panic alarm, overhead console. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.